Role play 17. Discussion with the doctor.
Abdul Basit is not feeling well. His neighbor Hamid notices this. The discussion goes as follows.
What happened? You are looking so sad today. Are you ill?
Yes, my health is not okay.
Why? What happened?
I have a cold and fever as well.
Oh, fever and cold. Since when do you have this problem?
Since last night.
Did you go to see the doctor for a checkup?
No, not yet. I was just thinking to go.
Okay, then please go as soon as possible.
Yes, well, recommend me to a good doctor.
Go to Dr. Riaz. He is a very good doctor and famous in the locality as well.
Okay, where is his shop?
His shop is beside the ATM on the next street.
Okay, thank you, I'm going.
He reaches the doctor and the discussion goes as follows.
Yes, mister, sit down.
Thank you, doctor, sir.
Tell me what problem you have.
I have a fever and a cold.
Since when do you have this problem?
Just since last night.
Have you taken any medicine for your fever?
No, doctor, I have not taken any medicine yet.
Okay, let me check with you.
Yes, doctor.
Lift your shirt, I have to check your temperature.
Okay, here you go, doctor.
Your temperature is very high. It means that you have a fever.
Yes, doctor, I also feel that I have a fever.
Do you feel bitterness in the mouth as well?
Yes, I feel slight bitterness.
Do you feel taste changes when you eat anything?
Yes, doctor, the taste of foods is totally changed.
Now, I will check your blood pressure. Please raise your hand a little bit.
Here you go, doctor.
Your blood pressure is very normal.
Okay.
Now, I will give you an injection for the fever. Will it be okay for you?
I am sorry, doctor, I have an allergy.
Do not worry. It is just an injection.
Okay, doctor, you are saying so I will take it.
There is nothing to be worried about.
Okay, no worries. What about the cold?
Yes, I have also prescribed medicine for it.
Okay, doctor.
Any other questions?
Yes, I had to ask if I could take a bath.
You can take a bath if you feel good.
Okay, doctor.
Any other questions?
Yes, I want to ask, what should I eat for meals?
Take whatever you desire. There is no problem. Just do not drink cold water.
Okay, doctor.
Now go to the medical shop and buy your medicine.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
He reaches the doctor and the discussion goes as follows.
I have to buy some medicines.
Yes. Show me the prescription.
Here it is.
Okay, here are your medicines.
Thank you very much. Can you tell me when I have to take the medicines?
Yes. Take 2 spoons of this syrup after every 3 hours, and take this tablet with a glass of water once a day after breakfast. And take this tablet once a day before the meal, and this one after the meal. And yes, take the sleeping pill before going to bed.
Okay.